Okay guys, I got a unboxing of a new Glock 17. Let's see what comes in the case here. As you can see, it comes with a pistol, couple magazines, mag loader. So it actually has 3 magazines, some back straps for sliding out this section of the grip here so you can change it. One of them you can see has a beaver tail on it. The other one's I think maybe a more pronounced hump on it than this one. Obviously the pistol's never been used or loaded, so we know it is empty. Lock that back. Also comes with a lock, some furniture, and the important directions. This is, important to read. With every new firearm you get, each manufacturer has some of its own recommendations of how you're supposed to break in a firearm, clean it, things you might need to do before you first shoot it. So this has got a little bit of extra lube on it, not terrible, so a quick cleaning wouldn't be a bad idea. So this is, like I said, the Glock 17, 9mm, very, very lightweight. It actually has the night sights on it, just the rear slide rail, fairly decent grip. This is the Gen 5 model. So yeah, being in Colorado, I can only get 10-round magazines. 15 is legal here, but nobody seems to make guns to meet the Colorado standard. Since California and a few other places are more stringent, they default to 10. So for people living in Colorado, you pretty much, when you buy a new firearm, you're going to get 10-round magazines or less, and then if you want higher capacity up to the legal limit, you have to buy new magazines. But this is actually a really good start with 3, even though they are only 10 rounds. It should keep you going at the range for a little while unless you're doing a bunch of rapid fire. So this is what the new Glock 17, and I imagine some of the, probably most of the other Generation 5 Glocks have a similar package. You buy them. Hopefully I'll be able to get some range time tomorrow. The hard part is finding ammunition, and it's just kind of a mess right now. 9mm is terrible. To give you an idea of size comparison between the Glock 17 and say a .45 caliber like this Ruger P90, set these up together. You can see how much thicker the .45 caliber is. Overall length is longer, but not a tremendous amount. And height without magazine in either of these is comparable. So the big thing, the weight of this is massive in comparison. This thing is actually a pound, at least a pound heavier than this one. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting that out in the range and seeing how it performs, especially in comparison to the .45. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully next update will be some range time.